In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ExpressVPN to TP-Link Deco. Setting up ExpressVPN on a TP-Link Deco mesh system is a smart way to protect multiple devices in your home at the same time, including phones, laptops, smart TVs, and game consoles. Since Deco routers do not let you install the ExpressVPN app directly, the setup works through the built-in VPN client feature instead. That means you'll download the necessary configuration details from your ExpressVPN account and then add them into the Deco app. Before you begin, make sure your Deco firmware is fully up to date. Open the Deco app on your phone, go to More, then System, then Update Deco, and install any available updates. This is important because some older firmware versions may not support third-party VPN client features properly. Next, you'll need to get your manual OpenVPN credentials from ExpressVPN. Open a browser on your computer or phone and sign in to your ExpressVPN account. If prompted, complete the email verification step. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the section for setting up your devices and choose Manual Configuration. Under the OpenVPN tab, you'll see a username and password specifically created for manual setup. These are different from your normal account login, so copy them somewhere safe for later. Then scroll down through the server list and choose the location you want to use. As soon as you select it, an OVN configuration file will download. Save that file and leave it unchanged. Now switch back to the Deco app, open it, tap More, then find the VPN section, or in some versions, Advanced, and then VPN Client. Turn the VPN Client switch on so the feature is active. After that, add a new VPN server profile. Tap Add VPN Server, or the plus icon, then enter a name that helps you recognize the connection, such as the server location you chose. For VPN type, make sure you select OpenVPN rather than PPTP or L2TP, then paste in the OpenVPN username and password you copied earlier. After that, tap the option to import a configuration file and select the OVPN file you downloaded. Once everything is in place, save the profile. The next part is important because the VPN won't protect devices until you assign them. Open your newly saved VPN profile and look for Client List or Device List. Tap the Add button to see all devices connected to your home Wi-Fi, then select the ones you want routed through the VPN and save your changes. If your Deco firmware includes an access permission option for all clients, you can choose that to send all household devices through the VPN automatically. Finally, test the connection. Take one of the devices you assigned to the VPN, open a private or incognito browser window, and go to the ExpressVPN IP check page.